Welcome to Manjula Dhevi Murugesan Software Training Center. In this video, we are going to see how to create Catalogue in project management. Okay, go to Start from Integrate Smart 3D. Go for project management. Okay, here you can see. Click and open. Okay. You can either select Smart 3D location, reference data or model. Okay. From anywhere you can create your catalog. New catalog. Okay. Click catalog. So what is the name for your server? What's a database server you want to use? So select the name. From the drop down menu you can select the name. What's the name you want to give? Okay. Just I'm going to give another. I cannot use the same name. Okay, now create an empty catalog, or you want to create a new catalog from template. Okay, if you are an admin, you can use this. Okay, empty catalog means catalog will be there, but there won't be any data. So you need to upload manually. But if you are using this, okay, using this, majority of the sample catalog will be available. Okay, so you can use this now. Just click three dots. See program files x86, Smart 3D, 3D ref data, database template, plan, select Catalogue Dhevi. Dot. Okay. But see, one important thing, if you are going to use this, once again you need to select the location. Okay. Just click three dots. Program files x86, Smart 3D, 3D ref data, database template, plant. You need to select upRepos.dat, not Catalogue DB. But I want to use the catalog from template. So just I'm going to select this. See, I need once again need to give inputs. .3D ref data, database template, Catalogue DB. Okay, and simple and custom for the location, same like what you have given in database wizard. See program files x86, Smart 3D, 3D ref data, shared content. Okay, click OK. Now let us wait until we get the confirmation. Now new catalog will be created. See, new catalog is created. Now if I go for new model, okay, sorry, I selected catalog once again, database, new model. Here you can see, okay, just I'm going to select simply catalog. Now you can see two types of catalog. Which catalog you want to use, you can use. Okay, like this only we are going to create new catalog in project management. Okay, do you have any doubts? Please contact the number, okay, which is given in description, or you can put in comment. Okay, and we are conducting courses. Okay, some you can see the background screen, or if you want to know the latest courses, check for latest videos description. In that we have given two numbers, either you can call or WhatsApp. Okay, with certificate and hands-on material we are providing the courses. Okay, so please subscribe, share and like the channel and join our videos. Thank you.